Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we're continuing on with the exercises and we're in exercise 3, domain 2. So as usual, you need to go to your Office Master 19 YouTube channel to open up the file. And the file we want to open up is regions.xlsx spreadsheet. So I have the file open, and just be careful as it's unusual for my exercises. There's 3 worksheets here, okay? So you need to make sure you're in Southern Worksheet, okay? So I'm in Southern Worksheet. So the first question is, I have to select cell range A5 to F17 and convert it to a table. So I'm going to select it here now. I'm going to click on Home. I'm going to click on Format as Table. And just bear with me while I do that. And I'm looking for table style green. So this is the green here. I need to put a tick in my table has headers. Okay, so it's green 14. Okay. Okay, so now we need to apply banded column formatting to the table. So we just put a tick in there under table design and banded columns. So I'm just going to tick that, and you'll see that turns on every second column is gone a darker shade of green. Okay. Now we have to add a table to the end of the table called markup. So I right click, go to insert and table columns to the right. Okay, so insert table columns to the right, and it's called markup. So I just type in markup in there. Okay, so now we have to add a total row to the table. So go put the tick in total row, and it's the average of selling price. So you click into the total row for selling price, click on the drop down arrow, and it's average. Okay, so now the next question then is we have to filter the table by mattress. So I click into item, I go to click on the drop down arrow on item, and I untick everything, and I put the tick in mattress. Okay, so put the tick in mattress and click OK. Now I'm asked to remove the filter, so I go into data, click on clear. Now I'm asked to sort the table, so I'm going to click on sort, and I'm asked to sort by item and then by assistant. So you sort by item, then you click on add level and then assistant. And the key is it's in ascending order, so that's A to Z, okay? So make sure that's A to Z, so click OK. Okay, so now the next thing is to filter the table to show the VAT value greater than 500. So you click on the VAT, the drop down arrow on VAT, you go to number filters, greater than, and then type in 500 here in the box. So click OK. Now I'm asked to remove the filter, so I click on clear. Now I'm going to click back into table design because I'll need that in a second. Okay, we have to remove the last row from the table, so you right click, go to delete and table rows. So right click, delete and table rows. Okay, so that now removes the last row. Then now our final thing, we have to apply table style 19 to the table. So I'm going to click on my drop down arrow and I'm looking for 19. So I'm just going to hold down my drop down arrow hopefully. And I'm looking for table style 19. So bear with me there now. Is that it there? No, that's medium. So again, we're looking for various, maybe that one is it? Table style 19. So that's yellow table style 19. And the final question then is to convert the table to range. So again, you're in table design and convert to range. So clicking on convert to range. Do you want to convert the table to a normal range? And we click yes. And that's it then. That's we've now completed domain 3 exercise 2, and shortly we'll be moving on to domain 4 exercise 1. And as always, thanks for watching and take care.